Alright guys, I have a question. Maybe somebody knows. This sound just happened to come out of nowhere. It's like a rattling noise, I would call it. I can't find anything that's loose, but when I accelerate it sounds like this. Hold on, maybe I can replicate it. Hold on. Hope you guys can hear it. Let me see. Let me try it from this side.